Okay, boys, explain the bet.
That is a night of drinking. If he can lift my quad 100 feet, but if he does it, and I can cancel it out, we're lifting this heavy fucking thing 100 feet.
Which weighs more, Bambi?
North?
Which weighs more? What's the difference in weight?
About 200 pounds from the quad to the bike.
Okay.
So it's like pretty much, it's like the girl he did last night, the girl I did last night. Nope.
Sure?
I'm gonna put it on my shoulder.
It's like a dog humping a football.
It's heavy.
Yeah, but the quad's 200 pounds heavier.
You lift that tire up for me? Put it on my shoulder?
You're gonna carry it
I'll help you get the quad on you.
whatever time you want.
Lift it up, right on my shoulder. Also.
You want it?
I can't lift this fucking thing.
What was that, Bambi?
So I can't lift it. Just pick it up.